In this video, we discuss about break, continue, pass statements in Python. What I am going to say means this break, continue, pass are keywords in Python. Break, continue, and pass. These are keywords in Python. Now I will discuss these keywords briefly with using some examples. Now let us use pass keyword. Pass keyword. How to use pass? Okay, I'll take example for in in a range of example 10 numbers. I'm just first 11 numbers I want to print. Only odd numbers I want to print. What I want to say is if I modulus 2 not equal to 0, then pass. Else else print I. I think you can understand this logic. What I'm doing here. Here I'm not using any. Just I'm using the condition here for odd numbers condition. But I'm printing only the even numbers. I'm printing only even numbers. Even numbers. Okay. Let's see the out. Let's save it and execute now. See, this is the code. If you want to take snapshot, you can take. This is the code. Let us see the output. See 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If I don't want to print any value, see once again I'll do this. I don't want to print 0. What I want to do is see else if I equal to 0, then just pass. Let's save it and execute now. You want to get now 0. See 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I think you got it the logic what I'm doing. Means pass is a keyword in Python. The main purpose of pass keyword is see well I think you know the quiz competition, right? In quiz competition, if you don't know the answer, what you say? Just you say pass. Pass in the means I don't know the answer, just pass. Pass means I'm giving chance to other person. It is the same concept here. Next, uh, we use continue keyword. Next we use continue. I'll make it as comment line. I think you understand the logic here. Pass keyword. Let us use pass keyword. Now over. Now continue keyword. Continue. How to use continue? I'll tell you now. Continue is a keyword in Python. Continue keyword. The main purpose of continue keyword is with the continue statement, you can stop the current iteration and continue with the next iteration. See, I'll tell you now. See, example, I'm taking for I in range of 10 or 11. You can take whatever you want. By default value will be start value will be 0. You can place or can place or cannot place. That is your wish. Next, here I don't want to print, I don't want to print, let us take even numbers. I want to print only odd numbers. If I modulus is to equal to 0, then continue. Then continue. Else, else print I. And here I'm printing only odd numbers. Only odd numbers. Let us see this is the code. Let's say I'm zooming. If you want to take a screenshot, you can take. See, this is the code. See, I'm just using a continue keyword here. Print odd number. I'm printing only odd numbers for I in range of 11. If I more or less to equal to 0, I'm just applying continue. Else print I. Let us see the output. Sorry, some mistake. Now you will get. See, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd numbers between 0 to 11, 0 to 10. Next, you don't want a number to be printed. Example, else if I equal to 3. 3 is odd number, right? If you don't want to print that, just use continue. You can use pause also, no problem. Just use continue. It will be very easy. See, 1579. If you use pause keyword also, no problem here. Same output will get 157. I think you understand the continue and pause. Both are having same logical correction, but those are keywords in Python. But mainly, if you ask me which one you will use, sometimes if we say I'll use kind of situation, I'll use continue pause. Next, we'll go for break statement. Break is a keyword in Python. With the break statement, you cannot stop. Show you. I'll make it as comment text. Using break statement in Python. Yes. See, break statement, you can stop the loop. You can stop the loop even if the condition is true. I think you understand. Say break is a condition, break is a keyword in Python. With using this break statement, you can stop the loop even if the condition is true in the while loop or for loop. Now I'll show you the example so that you can understand easily. See, I'm taking just I equals to 1, while I less than equals to 10, then print I, just I am if I equal to 3, then break. Then I am implementing I equals to I plus 1, or you can say that I plus equals to 1. Then anyway you can use whether these are I equals I plus 1. Let us save. Next, see 1, 2, 3. Here I have given the break statement up to 3 value. If I equal to 3, then it will break the loop. It will come out of the loop. See, by first initialize I value is 1. I less than equals 10, S2, then I value is 1, 1 will be printed. Next, I not 1 is not equal to 3, right? So it won't go here. Then I will be implemented here. So I value 2, next 2 less than equals 10, right? 2, 2 will be printed. 2 is not equal to 3, so it won't go here and it will be incremented to 3. 3 less than equals to 10, yes, true. 3 will be printed. 3 equal to 3, so condition is true. So it will break the statement and break the loop and it come out from the while loop. That's all. This is the tracing. See if I give I equals to 5, up to 5 I must integrate. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want, if you want to execute in using for loop, that also I'll show you. See, for I in range of 11, print I if I equals to 5, then break. Let's see if I'm going to fit now. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't want 0 to be printed here, so make it from 1, comma. Just save it and execute now. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Think you understand the logic. I think you understand the logic. I think I cleared your doubts about break, continue, pass, keywords in Python. Okay, this is about the black hole story. If you like this video, please subscribe, please share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.